Hello class and welcome to CS 122. In this course, we'll be learning object-oriented design using Java programming language. Before class, let's set up our development environment and let's install our IDE and Java. First of all, let's check if Java is already installed in our machine. Let's open CMD or command prompt. Write CMD here and open this command prompt. In this window, we can write Java -- version. If Java is already installed in your machine, it will recognize this command and it will print Java information and the version of Java installed in your machine. If not, it's going to print an error and say like this Java is not recognized. Since I have Java installed in my machine, if I press enter, it's going to print the version of Java installed in my machine. I'm using Java 21 or JDK 21, but if you don't have it, we can easily download and install it in our machine. So let's open Google, and here we can write download Java. It will open a few websites from jetbrain.com or java.com, but we are going to download Java from its official website, which is Oracle. So go to this oracle.com Java Technologies download. To download Java from this website, okay? If we click that, it's gonna take us to Java downloads. As of now, there are like Java 21 and Java 25 as the earliest version. Both of them are LTS or long-term support release of Java. So you can either download and install JDK 21 or JDK 25. I'm using JDK 21. You can install this one. Down below, you can excuse me. You can select your operating system. I'm using Windows, but if you use Mac OS, you can download the Mac OS. But let's go to Windows. I believe as of the latest version of Java, both Java 21 and 25, they're only supported by a 64-bit machine. Your computer should have a 64-bit processor. But if you have a 32-bit processor or machine, you can download an older version of Java. To check your machine information, you can write here system information. Under the system information, system summary, it should be somewhere here. System type minus 64-bit processor architecture. But if you have like x86 or 32-bit processor, you can download an older version of JDK. So once you select your operating system, let's download this .exe file, this middle link. So click on that. It's going to download the .exe file. Once download is complete, we can click on that and run the executable file. So let's click on this. Yes. Next, it's going to ask where you want to install Java. By default, it's going to install it in C drive, program files, Java. It will create a folder Java and JDK 21 or 25. So click next. Everything should be default and it's easy. So go and click next and install Java. I'm not gonna do that since I have Java already in my machine. So once you install Java, you can go back to CMD or command prompt and run Java -- version. But if it still doesn't recognize Java after you install that, maybe you can set up the environment variable for Java. You can search for edit system environment, edit the system environment variables. Click on that. In this window, we are going to click environment variables. Here, you should be able to, under system variables, you should be able to see Java underscore home, both capital letters, and the location of the Java that we installed. I installed Java in C drive, program files, Java, JDK21. By default, it's going to install it in this machine, in this location. But if you don't see this system variable of Java underscore home, you can add it from here. Click on new. Variable name should be the same, capital Java underscore capital home. But for the value, you can select the location of your JDK wherever you install that. If we go to C drive, um, C drive under program files, Java, and we can see our JDK. So once you open JDK, we are going to copy the address or the location of this folder. Just copy that and come to our system variables. So for the name, you can put Java home, and for the value, you can paste this location or address, okay? And click OK, it should be here. Once you added this system variable, then we are going to add the path to Java bin folder. So double click on this path. It's going to open this window. Here we can create a new path to our Java executable. So click new, and for that we are going to come to program file Java JDK. This time we are going to open the bin folder, okay? Previously we copied from up to JDK21, but this time we are going to copy the bin folder as well. Open the bin folder and copy all these address. I'm going to copy that, and I'm going to either double click here, or you can click new to add a new path variable. So paste that and click OK. Since I think I already have it, so I didn't need to do it again. So mine is here, yeah. Program file Java JDK 21/bin. Okay, okay, and okay. Again, go and open your command prompt. Run Java version. It should display the Java version. In case if it doesn't display again, you can restart your command prompt. It should print Java version. Next, once you install Java or JDK, we are going to install our IDE. For this course, we'll be using IntelliJ IDEA. Let's go to Google and search for IntelliJ IDEA system requirement. You can go to this documentation and read about the system requirements. Here we have the system requirements. See if your computer support this or no. There are, so I'm going to leave this window, and let's go to Google and this time search download IntelliJ IDEA. Let's click this download from JetBrains.com. IntelliJ IDEA is a product of JetBrains. So we are going to download it from this website, JetBrains.com, IDEA downloads. Click on that. Previously we had two types of IntelliJ IDEA. We had the community version and the ultimate version, but the latest IntelliJ IDEA, they have combined them and unified them, so you can download one executable and install, and you will get both the IntelliJ community version, which is free, and the ultimate version, which is not free. But we can use ultimate version using our student ID. You can use your Eden River College email to sign up for ultimate version. We will use community version. Community version should be more than enough for our course. But if you want to activate the ultimate version, you can do it using your student ID. I think it should be, if we go to IntelliJ IDEA website, after you installed IDE, I think under education for students, free licenses for students, for teachers. So click for students. Um, request now. You can put your information. It will send an email to your I'm a student, United States, all this information. Put your personal email and your Green River College email here. Uh, first name, last name, etc. Uh, then you can apply and they will send you an email. I think you can activate your account. Okay. Once you install, download the executable file of IntelliJ IDEA in installation. Once you reach this window, I recommend you to create a desktop shortcut. Maybe click this one also. When we right click on a folder and we can open it with IntelliJ IDEA, I recommend clicking this one also. Click this one also because it's going to automatically add the path variable as we did it previously with Java. So it's going to automatically do that. Definitely click this one also. For here, just click Java and home and next. Then everything should be easy. Other way that you can install IntelliJ IDEA is using this wonderful tool provided by JetBrains called JetBrains Toolbox. I'm using this one. It's basically a way to organize and manage all your JetBrains products. So I have installed JetBrains Toolbox. It's a way to organize and manage your JetBrains products. So I'm using IntelliJ IDEA Community version, PyCharm, IntelliJ IDEA Ultimate version, and there are a lot of other products of JetBrains that you need. You can just simply install it from this toolbox. You don't have to go to the website and search for that. If you don't download the executable file, first you can download JetBrains Toolbox, and it will pop up IntelliJ IDEA, and you can just click install. It's going to install IntelliJ IDEA in your machine. This is another way you can install IntelliJ IDEA. You can manage your projects here, services. I believe there should be an option where you can install older version of the IDE. It should be in settings or maybe skip this version. It will allow you to install and show you the older versions. Go through this documentation. You'll be able to find that if you want to install an older version of IDE, you can do that. So definitely go through this documentation if you face a problem during the installation. Once you installed your IntelliJ IDEA, we can just open that by searching IntelliJ IDEA. This is the ultimate version and the community version. So let me open the community version. For the first time when you open IntelliJ IDEA, it should pop up like a window to create a project. Since I have already created some projects, it will not pop up for me, but you can go here to file and new. Let's create a new project. So here you will see this window for the first time. Once you installed IntelliJ IDEA for the first time, you should see this type of window where we can give a project name, a location where we want to store our project, the programming language we will be using. We will use Java, and for the build tool, I recommend using Maven. We'll be using Maven build tool. Is going to make it easier if we want to use external libraries. We can install that easily using Maven and create project. This way you can have a new IntelliJ IDEA project. So thank you and see you in the class.